Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the section Apps. Now let's tap on See All Apps, and here we've entered the full list of available apps which are installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to go through all of them, especially those that you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes if they are corrupted, they can interfere with the normal usage, and obviously they are occupying some memory. So if you feel that the app is working a little bit slower, etc., then just find the app in this list. So for example, the camera, and then go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache, and basically this is it. Your device will immediately remove it. So unfortunately you need to go through them one by one manually. There's no other automatic option to quickly remove cache from all files. Moreover, I do not really recommend using third-party apps that claim to be able to actually remove the app cache. I mean, probably they can do it, but they are also at the same time quite predatory, and they potentially can gather a lot of information from all other apps, so I do not really recommend using that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.